Dear performance management students, I'm Abeel Ahmed, PM expert. Let us discuss one question which we have taken as usual from the study hub. This question is on price elasticity of demand. Basically, price elasticity of demand. How do we calculate? It's very simple. We just need to know two things: percentage change in quantity demanded divided by percentage change in price. So let's begin the question. What is the price elasticity, okay, of demand for the product? A shopkeeper finds that it sets the price of a particular product for $9 per unit. He sells on average 150 units. So at a price of $9, this shopkeeper can easily sell 150 units per month. However, at a price of $10, so simply, if you increase the price, law of demand, when you increase the price, demand will reduce. He will sell 110 units per month. So if we calculate percentage change in quantity demanded, so quantity from 150, it will reduce to 110. So there is a reduction of 40 units. Before that, it was 150. Why I put a negative sign? Because there's a reduction in demand. 40 upon 150 into, let's take 100. That will give us 26.67% negative. But don't worry at all. In the last answer of price elasticity of demand, in the last answer of PED, we ignore that negative sign. Okay, now let's talk about the change in price. From $9, we are coming to $10. So there's a change in price is 1, positive change divided by 9 into 100. So 1 upon 9 into 100. Students, I'm getting 11.11%. So here comes PED. Percentage change in quantity demand is negative 26.67. Ignore the percentage sign now. 11 upon 11. Let's see what I'm getting. 26.67 divided by 11.11. I'm getting negative 2.4. But in the final answer, actually, we ignore that negative sign as well. So logically, the answer has to be 2.4. We ignore that negative sign, okay? So logically, your answer is B. So simply, how do we calculate PED? It's very simple. You just need to find out two things. One is percentage change in quantity demanded, and the second is divided by percentage change in prices. So it's very easy. The main thing is, in the final answer, actually, we ignore that negative sign. So that is all about a question on pricing from Study Hub. Thanks for watching this small concept building video. Thank you. And student, don't forget one announcement. If you are planning June 2026 attempt, Abeel School of Accountancy is actually offering a free live online crash course for PM. So for more details, contact our admin. They will give you the more details when we are starting, what exactly we'll be covering this. So thank you very much for watching this small concept building video on price elasticity of demand. Thank you very much.